Fine? Great. So you all are eagerly waiting to start our today's classes? So let's begin. So who's going to tell me which date is today? Today is 17th July 2020. Yes. So what is the date today? 17th July 2020. And the day? Today is Friday. Yes. Which day is today? Friday. So can you tell me which is the number of day? Which Friday comes on which day? As the 5th day of the week. Yes. Friday is counted as the 5th day of the week. So how? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And what will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Saturday. And what comes after Saturday? Sunday. Yes, so these are days of the week. So now this is our first period, which is our conversation period. So what is conversation? हम क्या सीखते हैं इस period में? How to answer smartly. Yes, if someone is coming and asking us some questions, then how can we answer them smartly? Shy करके answer करना है? My name is Nona. So we need to answer them smartly and confidently. Very good. So in our previous two classes, we have learnt about myself, about fruits, about vegetables. You remember that? So we'll first have a revision about it. So you all are ready to answer some of my questions? So I have some questions on this board. I have some questions on this board. So first we'll answer these questions. Then I'm going to take you to a new topic and I'm sure you will like that topic a lot. But before moving there, we have to answer these questions. So you all are prepared for it? Great. Now the first thing, the very first thing, कोई भी आपसे मिलता है, if any uncle or auntie coming to you, what they ask you? What is your name? है ना? सब पूछते हैं ना? What is your name? So how you are going to answer? मैम ने क्या सिखाया है? You should always answer in a sentence framing form. Yes, आपको पूरा sentence frame करना होता है. ऐसे नहीं बोलोगे कार्तिक. No, you will never say like this. You will say, my name is Karthik. है ना? अगर आपका name कार्तिक है, so how you are going to reply? My name is Karthik. Clear? ऐसे नहीं बोलोगे कार्तिक. No, you should answer in a sentence form. Then comes, how old are you? अब आप बोलोगे old तो दादाजी के लिए बोलते हैं. So here old means आपकी कितनी age है, आप कितनी years के हो. So how old are you? So if you are 4 years old, what you are going to say? I am 4 years old. अगर आप 5 years के हो तो आप क्या बोलोगे? I am 5 years old. One thing more I want to tell you. You all know when your birthday comes. कौन सी डेट में आपका बर्थडे आता है पता है आपको? So ask your parents, when is my birthday? So you should know the date and month as well as year of your birthday. Clear? आपको आपकी डेट भी पता होनी चाहिए, कौन से मंथ में आपका बर्थडे आता है और कौन से ईयर में आप बॉर्न हुए थे, तभी तो आपको पता चलेगा. How old are you? I am 4 years old. I am 5 years old. Clear? So if anyone is asking you, how old are you? You will reply, I am 4 years old or I am 5 years old. Clear? Good. Then comes, what is your school name? Yes, you all know that. What is your school name? आपके स्कूल का क्या नाम है? So how you are going to reply? My school name is, yes, repeat with me. My school name is, मैम ने आपको बताया था ना पिछली बार. So last time when we were having this myself class, so क्या बताया था मैम ने आपको? SD Adarsh Public School. So how you are going to reply? My school name is SD Adarsh Public School. just tell me again, repeat again. What is your school name? What is your school name? My school name is SD Adarsh Public School. Clear all? Good. Now moving towards the topic of fruits and vegetables. Which fruit is red in color? So which fruit? You have to tell one fruit. बहुत सारे होते हैं, but you can tell me only one name. So can you tell me one name, a fruit name which is red in color? Apple is red in color. Strawberry is red in color. Cherry is red in color. Yes, we have three names with us. So you can tell about any one fruit. So you can say apple is red in color. Cherry is red in color. Strawberry is red in color. Clear? Then comes name the vegetables we eat raw. Raw माने में हमने आपको बताया था ना. What is the meaning of raw? Raw means uncooked, जो हम कच्ची खा सकते हैं, जिसे हमें बनाने की जरूरत नहीं होती. बताइए, which are the vegetable? Potato? No. Any other vegetables that we eat raw? Yes, we eat tomato, onion, carrot, radish. These are vegetables we eat raw. अब इन्हें raw कैसे खाते हैं? In the form of salad. Clear? In the form of salad. Yes, आप salad खाते हैं? Where mama cuts cucumber, tomato, then onion, we have radish, we have carrot. Sometimes we can also take turnip. Clear? So we eat them as raw. Then, which is your favorite fruit? So you all eat fruit or not? First thing. Some of you don't like to eat fruit, I know, but you should always eat fruit because they give us lot of energy and they are very good for health. So which is your favorite fruit? This answer you are going to give me with the help of a video. So make a small video. You can take a picture of that fruit. You have to tell the name of the fruit. Then you can tell about the color, taste. So this is like a show and tell. Just share your work with me. Now moving towards our today's topic. So what we are going to learn about? Today we are going to learn about a very nice, very cool topic, that is rainy season. Yes, rainy season. So rainy season is going on, है ना? Rainy season चल रहा है. So can you tell me which are the things we see in rainy season? So I'll show you different things we see, we enjoy in rainy season, and how we eat, enjoy and do different activities in rainy season. So you all are prepared to see that? Great. Let's begin with the work. So now I'm going to tell you about rainy season. Which season? Rainy season. So you all know rainy season is going on. Now rainy season comes in the month of July to mid-September every year. And can you see the clouds? They are fighting with each other like in thunderstorms. Isn't it so? So can you see here that these lightnings here on the screen? These lightnings tell that the clouds are fighting with each other. And when the thunderstorm happens, comes the rain. So can you see blue-gray clouds? They are bringing rain to us. And the rainy season comes during the month of July to mid-September. That means July, August and mid-September. This is the time of the year which is said to be the rainy season. And this rainy season is also known as monsoon season. Okay, so one more name of rainy season is monsoon season. Now, what are the different things we need to protect ourselves from rain? The very first thing is we should stay at home. But when we are going out, so which all things we need? Can you see a girl wearing a raincoat? So this yellow color coat is called a raincoat. It covers our body and protect us from getting wet. Now can you see this girl is also wearing gumboots, as we have one here. So these are called gumboots. They help us to protect our legs from getting dirty. And the third thing is a beautiful colorful umbrella. So we all love colorful umbrellas. Umbrella come in different colors. It can be multicolored, it can be one single color, and it comes in different sizes also. So which are the things we need to protect ourselves from rain? That is raincoat, gumboots and umbrella. Understood? Okay. Wow, what these kids are doing. So can you tell me what these kids are doing? They are enjoying, they are making paper boats and rowing in the water. So you also do the same when rain comes? जब बारिश होती है तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम पेपर बोट बनाते हैं, और जो घर के पास वाटर एक्यूमुलेट हो जाता है, पानी इकट्ठा हो जाता है, व्हाट वी डू, हम उसमें अपनी बोट को रो करते हैं, है ना? आप करते हो? डू यू एंजॉय दिस एक्टिविटी? So the rainy season or the monsoon season is going on. Now when rain comes and you see water accumulated, so just make a paper boat and row like this. Okay, you are going to enjoy it. Now what is this green on my screen? Can you tell me? It's a frog. Yes. And do you know what sound frog makes? This is the sound that comes when frog enjoy rain. And we see frogs in ponds. जब बारिश होती है ना, so ponds में पानी हो जाता है. ponds में होता है, but क्या होता है, वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा muddy area हो जाता है या कहीं पे पानी भर जाता है. So frogs come. Generally we see them in park. पार्क में मट्टी होती है, मड होती है, देन थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे गीली मिट्टी जो होती है ना, वी कॉल इट कीचड़ और स्लज, वहाँ पे दे लव टू प्ले देयर एंड दे मेक अ वेरी गुड साउंड. So you all can also make this sound like a frog. Okay, so please enjoy making these paper boat activity. It's a request. You are going to enjoy it a lot. Wow, which bird is this? Can you tell me the name of this bird? Yes, anyone? It's a peacock. Yes. And you know, whenever the rain comes na, peacock spread its feathers. Peacock क्या करती है? अपने सारे feathers को spread करती है. Can you see here? The peacock has spread all its feathers and they love dancing in rain and they make a beautiful noise. Pee-hoo! Pee-hoo! This is the sound they make when they enjoy dancing in rain. And one thing more I would like to tell you. Peacock is our national bird. You know that? Peacock is our national bird and this bird enjoys dancing in rain and they are the most beautiful of all. Next is, wow, yummy! What are these? They are pakoras. So when it rains, what is being asked by mama? Mama, बारिश हो रही है, पकौड़े बना दो. Isn't it so? So we all enjoy eating different pakoras made out of different things like potato, paneer, then onions, different vegetable potatoes we love eating during rainy season. Isn't it so? So next time when rain is coming, ask your mother to make yummy pakoras for you all. Okay? Now what is this? What is this? Something which is full of colors. It's a rainbow. So we see a rainbow when sun comes during the rain. Have you ever seen rain is coming and sun is also shining? Yes, it happens. कभी कभी होता है, रेनी सीजन में बारिश भी आ रही होती है and there comes the sun also, shining sun. At that time what happened? There comes a beautiful rainbow. What we call it? Rainbow. So what is a rainbow? Rainbow is a band of 7 colors. So can you see there are 7 colors in this? 1, I'll count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is a band of 7 colors and we also call it Vibgyor. You know why we call it Vibgyor? I just tell you. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So Vibgyor is basically the first letter of each color. Isn't it? The first letter of each color is written, which makes the word Vibgyor. And on the whole we call it a rainbow. So it is really very good and beautiful to see in the sky when rain is also coming and comes the sun also. At that time only we are able to see this rainbow. I hope you have enjoyed watching this slides on rainy season. So just keep watching them and learn things about it.